I'm Elyze, and if you're planning to retire at 62, this video could protect your entire financial future. Millions of Americans retire early, and many of them go broke. But that won't be you if you follow what I'm about to share. Today, I'll walk you through a 5-step roadmap to retire at 62, without the fear of running out of money. These steps are practical, proven, and built for real Americans like you. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Know your real retirement number. The first question you must answer is this: how much money will you actually need to retire comfortably at 62? Most people guess, but guessing leads to disaster. You need a number. Here's a rule many financial advisors use. Take your yearly expenses and multiply by 25. That gives you a rough estimate of how much you'll need to fund 25 years of retirement. Let's say you spend $40,000 a year. $40,000 x 25 sours $1 million. That's your number. Now, I know that sounds like a big number, and it is, but don't panic. This formula assumes you'll live to around 87, face mild inflation, spend consistently year after year. But life isn't that neat, is it? Medical bills, inflation spikes, economic downturns, they all hit harder in retirement. So your action step is simple. Go to a free calculator, like from Fidelity or Vanguard, and enter your numbers: current savings, expected expenses, retirement age, life expectancy. If the result makes your stomach drop, don't worry. The next 4 steps will help you fill that gap. Step 2. Maximize your Social Security timing. Now let's talk about one of the most important and misunderstood parts of retiring at 62, when to take Social Security. You can start claiming at 62, that's the earliest allowed by law. But doing so permanently reduces your monthly benefits by around 30% compared to waiting until full retirement age, 67 for most Americans. On the flip side, if you wait until age 70, you could get up to 76% more each month for life. So the question becomes, are you retiring early or claiming early? Smart retirees often delay Social Security for 2 to 5 years and use their own savings to cover the gap. Why? Because the longer you wait, the more you get for life. Higher monthly payments help hedge against inflation and long-term care costs. Curious stat: nearly half of Americans claim at 62, but many regret it later when inflation eats away at fixed income. So, if you're healthy and have some savings, consider delaying. It's one of the most powerful moves you can make. Step 3. Build a reliable income stream. Let's get to the heart of retirement anxiety: income. It's not just about how much you saved, it's about how long that money will last. Here's what the smartest retirees do. They build 3 reliable income sources. 1. Social Security. We've already covered that, and ideally, you'll delay for more income. 2. 401k, IRA withdrawals, but not just random withdrawals. Use the bucket strategy. Bucket 1, cash for the next 1 to 2 years, bills, essentials. Bucket 2, conservative investments for 3 to 5 years. Bucket 3, growth investments for the long term. This gives you flexibility and peace of mind. 3. Passive or semi-passive income. Rental income, dividends from stocks, part-time work doing something you enjoy, consulting, online work, even tutoring. Retirement isn't about quitting everything. It's about owning your time and your income. Pro tip: build income layers so that you're not dependent on just one stream. Even $500 a month in rental income can make a major difference. Step 4. Plan for healthcare. Now let's talk about the most overlooked and most dangerous budget buster in early retirement: healthcare. If you retire at 62, you don't qualify for Medicare yet. That starts at 65. So for 3 years, you'll need private health insurance, or COBRA from your last job, or ACA marketplace coverage. Here's the scary part: private health insurance can cost $1,000 a month or more per person without subsidies. That's $12,000, $15,000 per year, just for coverage, not counting copays, prescriptions, or emergencies. Solution? Use the Affordable Care Act if your income is low enough to qualify for subsidies. Budget at least $15,000, $20,000 a year until you turn 65. Start comparing plans before you quit your job. It pays to be prepared. And when you do hit 65, add Medicare, Part B, Part D, and a supplemental plan to protect your retirement budget. Step 5. Protect your money from outliving you. Let's end with the fear that keeps most retirees up at night. What if I outlive my money? Here's how to fight that fear and win. Use the 3% 4% withdrawal rule. Withdraw 3% to 4% of your retirement savings each year. This strategy helps your money last 25-30 years, even in rough markets. Rebalance and stay conservative. Don't go heavy into stocks at 62, stay 60-40 or more conservative. Focus on index funds with low fees. Work with a fiduciary, not a salesperson. A fiduciary is legally required to put your interests first. They can build you a custom plan with lower risk. And finally, avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you're retired doesn't mean you have to spend more. Spend smarter. Let's recap the 5 steps to retire at 62 without running out of money. Know your real retirement number. Maximize your Social Security timing. Build 3 income streams. Plan ahead for healthcare. Protect your money so it lasts a lifetime. These aren't just steps, they're your financial shield. And if you follow them, you'll retire with peace, purpose, and power. I'm Elyze, and I'll be right here, helping you retire smart, retire early, and retire free. Subscribe for more real advice that puts your future first.